Good day, sir and ma'am. My name is May Anjoy Arprado, 31 years old. Single mother with two children ages 10 and 3 years old, both girls. I live in Alegria, Buanga, Philippines. I have two brothers and two sisters and I am the middle child of the family. I am college graduate, a bachelor in hotel and restaurant management. I have work experience as a volunteer kindergarten teacher for 1 year and 3 months. I teach them how to draw, count, read, write, draw, and coloring. I also teach them how to recognize shapes, numbers, and letters. As part of this, I also teach them how to sing the nursery song, and I really love kids. I work also as a housemaid for 5 years to a couple with two children ages 3 and 1 week old newborn baby. My duties and responsibilities are doing a household chores like cleaning the house, marketing, cooking, laundry, ironing, and wash dishes, and taking care of the children. Sometimes, I also teach the toddlers some basic educational stuff and taking care of the newborn. Good day, sir. Good day, mom and sir. I hope you select me as your helper. I am hardworking, honest, and responsible person. I promise to serve your family and I will do all my best. Thank you and hope to see you soon.